going up the peak. Us and every other tourist.
Gotta be a typical tourist today.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sun Chasing Aussies. In this episode, it's all about exploring Victoria Peak.
We're first going to start at the Tsim Sha Tsui Star Ferry terminal and cross the harbour to Central, where we'll catch the bus to the peak. This is where you catch the Star Ferry at Tsim Sha Tsui. See the wizard?
Yeah.
They're mad on this Pokemon stuff.
Hey?
They're mad on this Pokemon stuff.
Yeah. A few things that we learnt yesterday is that you can't just get into a taxi. You have to ask them if they will go to your destination. Not like Aussies, so you just hop in and you say, go here please. Whereas yesterday we got sort of denied a red cab yesterday because he didn't want to go to our destination. And if you are going to the races...
Prove that you're out of this country,
you get in
for free.
Yeah.
Whereas we had to pay a whole,
Yeah.
I don't know, $11.
Yeah.
$11 to Hong Kong.
But I don't know, I just wouldn't feel safe taking my passport
Which
there.
if I can use my mathematical conversion brain, that's cool.
Yeah. But it was so good. It was the best time. We had a big day yesterday and it was the best ending to our day.
Oh yeah, it was amazing.
And it's a beautiful day today, so we're off and going.
Yeah, this is the way to the Star Ferry.
We're going to
Which
the
is-
upper level.
I know it's a beautiful ride, but got to work out how to get a ticket to get on it. I think that's like $11 or something too, isn't it?
Yeah. All right.
And a $5.50 exchange rate, it calculates out to be Star Ferry.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't press record that whole time.
Are you serious?
No.
They're like little
Oh, yeah.
solly shops on the side of the road.
Yeah, here's the Hong Kong Tourist Board. So we can come here to book our boat ride that we want to do in the harbour. Magazines. I don't think anyone had magazines anymore. Those magazines are probably 10 years old. Central. That's where we want to go, isn't it? Well, we're down at the Star Ferry. We just missed that one because we don't know what we're doing. Here comes another one. Going down to the ferry. Going to Bonnie Doon.
Oh, look at the picture. Oh, it's a bit rickety-rockety.
Yeah, that'll be right. It's your feet.
Yeah.
It's your feet, kiddies.
I was watching you.
What do you mean,
You know, you
swaying?
were swaying. This is awesome.
Well, here we are waiting for a bus to take us to the peak. In a sea of red taxis.
See, look. I was right. Look. This is where we are. We're
How
going
much is it? $16.80. Yeah. Is that $3?
Yeah.
Is that a bamboo one? No, I think that's proper scaffold. There's probably some Kiwis over there, eh?
Look at the tall building up there.
Oh, it's some Kiwis doing the scaffold, bro. Yeah, that's the big one.
I feel like I'm going to go over the edge.
It's a big wheel thing.
Some bamboo in there. It's a mixture.
Yeah, that low stuff's bamboo.
Yeah. We're on the peak bus. And and we're right at the top of a double-decker bus, and it looks like we're going to hit everything.
The size of that door. Look what the base is.
How is it supposed to sway in the breeze?
Probably does.
Okay.
I'd be worried about driving up here in the ramp.
Yeah.
We got double-decker buses. Passing each other.
They just...
Clash.
That's crazy.
What about him?
乘客喺車廂站立以及行走嘅時候，請緊握扶手，確保安全。據我們指示，please hold the handrail while standing。
You used to have to walk a long way up here. Yeah, there used to be artwork along here for sale. This is the old. Walk in there, babe.
Hey?
Walk in there. Yeah, good. It's got a little bit foggy, but... Still working on it. On the Sky Terrace, which cost us a bit to get up here.
I'm cleaning the windows.
It makes me feel sick just watching him. I'll video this
Oh
guy.
my goodness.
See what the go is. Feel sick just doing this. Where is he?
Yeah.
Yeah. This weird woman thinks that we're going to win something.
We'll do this. Or the bottom one. Let's do this one.
Can't we just throw the money on the ground and be done with it?
A few moments later.
Yay!
$5 a coin. 5 Hong Kong dollars a turn.
That's $1.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Jace is trying a sourdough egg tart. Apparently they're traditional.
Sweet, sweet.
Yeah, that's what they've been saying. Is it alright? Have- It's very vanilla. They're nice though. You couldn't eat too many of them.
ask around the other side. That's the whiff.
Hey.
Come on, our turn. Our entrance has a red light camera in it. How good.
Forgot to buy a bottle of water.
Wine. Oh, they do sell alcohol at 7-Eleven?
Yeah, they did.
Oh, why didn't you tell me?
What?
Why didn't you tell me?
Did you not see it?
No. I would have bought something to drink. I had to realise. Oh, well. Feels like someone's put too many pots on the stairs. Climb the ladder to success. Toilet.